Okay, this is a repairability test for Robert Smith. This is the shingle we're gonna be using. Owens Corning Oak Ridge Onyx Black. So we're gonna be repairing around here. I'm gonna try to be as careful as possible. As you can see, I'm trying to lift this up, but it's pretty difficult to do so.
Yeah, you're just, they're stuck, that's for sure.
Yep. Oh yeah,
that's the big nail bar too. That's the heavy duty one. Oh my gosh.
Let's do it from the top. Let's see if it's better right here.
You're just gonna keep messing them up. Yeah, but I heard you rip through the felt though.
Try to be as careful as possible not to damage the shingles above.
That's gonna be the problem. When you tear that up, it's gonna pull the old black felt up.
As you can see, I made damage right here.
Yeah, that's the old tar felt. It's all gonna, yep, see? It's gonna pull it up. Once you try to even repair one, it's gonna damage the felt underneath it.
See, I damaged the shingle above.
Yeah, don't go anymore, Jerry.
Either way, I have to do this.
Well, I know, just don't go anymore. It's just going to be a domino effect. Yeah. I think you're struggling there.
I am struggling. Do you not see how hard this thing is to pull up?
Yeah, I do.
I have to put force into it. I've never experienced something like this before. I'll be honest with you.
Hey, you got a quarter of it out, right? Huh? Good job.
Okay, now I'm gonna try to take off the nails.
That's pretty bad. Be careful, you're just gonna domino, like I said, domino effect.
Let's see if that's...
It's not gonna match either.
Yeah, it's not a color match either.
No. I wouldn't want a different color on my house.
Okay. Okay, that's the last one.
It's a lot of work for one single.
No, the weight deep in there. Okay, as you can see, before I nail it in, it's not a color match. This shingle's darker. This is like more grayer. We're gonna put 6 nails in it. Make sure it's on the T-weight. I'm gonna try to be as careful as possible lifting this up so it doesn't crease.
Oh boy, different color. I'm not gonna put a nail right here because it's damaged and it's gonna leak. But yeah, as you can see, can I have the phone? So I could zoom it in. As you can see, it's not a color match. This shingle is way darker than this. And as you can see, I made damage on the shingle above. Caused creases. It would need a whole new roof.